Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can change your location and your language on Indeed. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Indeed app. After that, click on the three lines at the top of the screen, and you can see above the settings the country and language option. You have to click on that. So if you moved somewhere else, or I don't know, you are searching a job in a different country, you can select from the list, and then you will see the that country's jobs, and the language of Indeed will change. Let's say that I would like to go or to move to France. Okay, and now you will see that the Indeed language had have changed. And if you type a job title, let's say professor, all right, you can say let Paris, oh sorry, Paris, and chercher, and now you can see that it will appear jobs in Paris. And yeah, this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.